Now let's try to create a let's try to create this type of complicated. Let's try to create a kind of complicated roof right in Revit Architecture. The first time if I ever get into the elevation, right in the elevation I created a level which is used to cut my base roof. Why? I'll tell you now. First I'm gonna get into the level 2, then I'd like to get into roof. Overhang maybe 60 centimeter and define slope is turned on, and then just this looks good. If I get into 3D I can see that the apex is already there, but I don't want to see the apex of this roof. So what I'm gonna do here is already made a level 3, so I'll select the roof, and right in here I'll be picking up the cutoff level to level 3, you can say. So that had already provided a sort of cutting right in. Then get into the top view, picking again roof. Okay, so if we ever happen to see any error based on work plane, what you want to do here is you like to, there's a set option here, but I can't see that. Oh my god, how am I able to? You can see there's a set option here. Then you'll be picking up work plane which is level 3. Yeah. Getting the roof, I like to define the overhang to be 0, and yeah, the slope is defined, but you can make use of pick line option here, and I like to select up all these points. One more thing I like to do is the slope shall be -30. Okay, so as that will converge to the inner side, then I like to enable this option here. If we get into the 3D view, you can see that the roof is converged into the bottom part. A little bit more confusion here. That's right in here, so I like to edit that part just by trimming these 2 lines here. Then I don't want to see these lines. Okay, that looks okay for now, but what about here? In order to solve the problem right there, I like to take up roof again, turning overhang back to 0, making use of rectangle or pick line. Then you can draw here, and the slope shall be +30. It's already +30 here, and that one shall be right at level 3, and check it. That's okay. One more thing I like to do here is I like to take a vertical opening here, pick up the roof, and kind of draw in a rectangle here. That doesn't look okay. Why? Yeah, my calculations were not right. That one looks okay, so just make this point coincide with each other. Trim on side. What about here? Trying to trim it. Then you can make use of the drag handles. Make use of vertical opening, pick up the roof, then make use of rectangle, first point and second point. Then one more thing I like to do here is get into graphic display options and realistic, and I don't want to show the edges. Yep, this looks okay.